Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Gonna make a real quick video here. These 96 Dodge Rams are second gen Dodges with this style cup holder, the pullout. Pretty notorious for breaking. I've had a couple now that have been broken right through here. Maybe it's better side to show you. On the back side right here, it snapped off. Should have probably fixed those, but I didn't. They were pretty nasty too, pretty rough shape. So didn't end up fixing those. I ended up just tossing them. I had one of them I was going to keep two fixed, and for whatever reason, I think I got the two mixed up and it got trashed. So I had the opportunity to find this one in another vehicle, another scrapyard pickup, and you guys can see it was broken right through here, as well as this support piece had snapped off over here. So epoxied all this back together, epoxied that. Also stuck a nail inside of here and epoxied it into place just for a little more structure. If you do that, you have to get the spring on first. And again, if this breaks, it's not gonna come apart that easy anymore. So that is a downside to it. This stuff won't come back off. This will, you can still pop the cup holders out, which I got to do here in just a second because I need to clean up these edges just a little bit. It's catching, so, but yeah, it's pretty simple, and it actually holds up really nice. So you guys can see down there, I epoxied that side as well. You could probably sand it down and clean it up, make it look a little prettier, but right in here, you can really put quite a bit in to add some structure. So yeah, if this helps anybody, you can repair these. They do come apart pretty simple. Basically, you got your little metal rack here that slips on this way. So it slips up and you just press these little plastic pieces downward. It'll slide off. Then you can get access to this again. The cup holders themselves just pop out. They just clip over the top of that. So you basically can just pop them right off. Do your repairs, whatever you need to do. Again, the spring's got to go on before you put all this back together. It's kind of a weird design. There was actually a gap. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there is a gap right in here where the plastic stuff doesn't. That's where that spring can come up and through and then slide over on the other one. So kind of a crappy design, to be 100% honest. It's no wonder a lot of them break. But anyway, if you guys have any questions on this, feel free to ask. I'm also probably going to do a video of replacing the little rubber pieces that go in here that kind of hold your drink in place. So I'll show you guys, you can pop these off. They're just glued in place, and you can remake these, but I'll do that in a separate video. I kind of want to show that whole process because these get pretty nasty and dry rotted and start to crumble. So I'll show you guys how to do that as well here in a future video, but want to kind of go over this and just show, hey, you can repair these. It's not that difficult, and if nothing else, you don't have that ugly hole in your dash. So if you guys have questions, feel free to ask. We'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.